Next, we'd visit a less developed but very charming city.
Siap puas Zephyr, Zephyr pulangan.
Rainbows. Fresh produce. Smiling faces.
So we get some satay sticks. So I just bought, okay. Okay.
Enak?
It's really good. And make some of this soup.
Soto.
It's a soto. Oh, it's good. It's very tasty, very good.